a tutorial on how to connect the CINENORM series monitors to the RED KOMODO X camera via a wired connection. Applicable models: BM5 for WR, BM54, and BM7 to DS. First, connect the SDI cable to the camera's SDI port and the monitor's SDI in port. Next, connect the control cable to the camera's EXT port and the monitor's UART port, and set the monitor's input signal. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Click Monitor Settings. Click Input. Set the input signal to SDI. Next, set up the camera settings. Tap the menu. Select Monitoring. Select SDI. Set the resolution to Full HD and the frequency to 59.9 Hz. If these parameters are not set correctly, image issues may occur. Then, return to the upper menu. Select System Settings. Then go to Power and turn on Power Out. The monitor can only detect the camera control cable when power output is enabled. Now, let's check how to pair the connection. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Click the external device. Select Wired. Click Connect. When the monitor detects the connected camera model, the connection is successful. In the camera control interface, tap Rack to enable or unenable camera recording. Click Iris to adjust the aperture. Click Shutter to adjust the shutter. Click ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus to enable the monitor touch focus. In AF mode, you can enable touch focus. In MFS mode, you can switch focus via the screen buttons. Click FPS to change the camera frame rate. Click CT to adjust the color temperature. Click EV to adjust the exposure value. Click on the current resolution and aspect ratio to select the shooting resolution and aspect ratio. That's the tutorial about how to connect the RED KOMODO X via Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.